This is the definitive guide to resolving the frustrating issue. I personally encountered this exact problem and spent considerable time testing numerous approaches, but finally uncovered several effective methods that I am eager to share with you right now. Today we will fix pitfall traps not working on certain monsters glitch in your game. First, we tackle game integrity. Sometimes small errors in game files prevent traps from working right. Verifying these files makes sure all parts of the game are in their correct place, often fixing hidden problems that stop traps from triggering. Next, we look at monster-specific workarounds. Some monsters might have a natural resistance or a temporary glitch that makes them immune. Understanding these unique behaviors and adjusting how you approach them, like changing trap types or placement, can work around their special conditions. Then we dive into settings and performance. Your computer setup or even how the game runs can affect trap mechanics. Adjusting graphics settings or ensuring your drivers are up to date helps the game run smoothly, making sure trap animations and triggers happen exactly when they should. Finally, advanced troubleshooting methods are for those stubborn problems. When all else fails, a fresh install can clear out any deeply rooted issues, ensuring you have a clean slate. This covers everything from corrupt game data to reporting the glitch directly, giving you the best chance to make those pitfall traps effective again.